से हम एक नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे। ये है चैप्टर 11 हुद। 11.1 अलिफ लाम रा। दिस इज ए बुक whose verses are well perfected and then fully explained. It is from the one who is all wise, all aware. 11.2 Tell them, O Prophet, worship none but Allah. Surely I am a warner and deliverer of good news to you from Him. 11.3 And seek your Lord's forgiveness and turn to Him in repentance. He will grant you a good provision for an appointed term and graciously reward the doers of good. But if you turn away, then I truly fear for you the torment of a formidable day. 11.4 To Allah is your return, and He is most capable of everything. 11.5 Indeed, they unfold what is in their hearts, trying to hide it from Him. But even when they cover themselves with their clothes, He knows what they conceal and what they reveal. Surely He knows best what is hidden in the heart. 11.6 There is no moving creature on earth whose provisions is not guaranteed by Allah, and He knows where it lives and where it is laid to rest. All is written in a perfect record. 11.7 He is the one who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and His throne was upon the waters, in order to test which of you is the best in deeds. And if you, O Prophet, say, surely you will all be raised up after death, the disbelievers will certainly say, that is nothing but pure magic. 8 And if we delay their punishment until an appointed time, they will definitely say, what is holding it back? Indeed, on the day it overtakes them, it is not averted from them, and they will be overwhelmed by what they used to ridicule. 9 If we give people a taste of our mercy, then take it away from them, they become utterly desperate, ungrateful. 10 But if we give them a taste of prosperity after being touched with adversity, they say, my ills are all gone, and become totally prideful and boastful. 11 Except those who patiently endure and do good, it is they who will have forgiveness and a mighty reward. 1-2 Perhaps you, O Prophet, may wish to give up some of what is revealed to you and may be distressed by it, because they say, if only a treasure had been sent down to him or an angel had come to him. You are only a warner, and Allah is trustee of all affairs. 1-3 Or do they say, He has fabricated this Quran? Say, O Prophet, produce 10 fabricated surahs like it, and seek help from whoever you can, other than Allah, if what you say is true. 1-4 But if helpers fail you, then know that it has been revealed with knowledge of Allah, and that is no God, and that there is no God worthy of worship except Him. Will you not then submit to Allah? 1.5. Whoever desires only this worldly life and its luxuries, we will pay them in full for their deeds in this life. Nothing will be left out. 1.6. It is they who will have nothing in the hereafter except the fire. Their efforts is in this life will be fruitless and their deeds will be useless. 7. Can these people be compared to those believers who stand on clear proof from their Lord, backed by the Quran as a witness from Him and preceded by the book of Moses, which was revealed as a guide and mercy? It is those believers who have faith in it, but whoever from the disbelieving groups rejects it, the fire will be their destiny, and do not be in doubt of it. It is certainly the truth from your Lord, but most people do not believe. 18. Who does more wrong than those who fabricate lies against Allah? They will be brought before their Lord, and the witness will say, there are the ones who lied against their Lord. Surely Allah's condemnation is upon the wrongdoers. 1.9. Who hinder others from Allah's path, striving to make it appear crooked, and disbelieve in the hereafter. 20. They will never prostrate Allah on earth, and they will have no protector besides Allah. Their punishment will be multiplied, for they failed to hear or see the truth. 21. They say, who have ruined themselves, and whatever gods they fabricated will fail them. 22. Without a doubt, there will be worst losers in the hereafter. 23. Surely those who disbelieve, those who believe, do good, and humble themselves before their Lord will be residents of paradise. They will be there forever. 24. The example of these two parties is that of a blind and the deaf, compared to the seeing and the hearing. Can the two be equal? Will you not then be mindful? 25. Surely we sent Noah to his people. He said, indeed, I am sent to you with a clear warning.